Hello, pigeon. Hello, pigeon. What's wrong? I have the hiccups. I wonder what can cure this. Maybe you just need a drink of water. Alright. Alright. I'll get a drink of water. Still hiccuping. How can this be? Or you could just fly upside down. Or you could just fly upside down. Good choice. I'm still hiccuping. Well, what can help to stop? Hey, I'm not hiccuping anymore. This is awesome.